Let's move on to the Apple Folio case. This is the standard Apple Folio iPad case that's been around forever. It's super thin. It's super functional. It does not add much to the thickness of the iPad, but it does add functionality because it protects the front and back of the iPad, fits the camera module really nice, and obviously turns the screen on when you open it up. And then you flip it around and then it becomes a stand. And of course it has different positions, so I can lower the iPad angle and have different viewing angles and all that stuff. There's just 2 positions. But what I really like about this case is when it is in this position, I can hold it like a book. So it is kind of like a thick book, but I will often hold the iPad like this so that I can grip it and comfortably hold the iPad without having to really grip the screen and have my fingers on the screen. It makes it really easy for me to hold. Sometimes I also will just kind of fold this over like so and pinch a finger in between, which essentially does the same thing. It just kind of makes the iPad able to flop around a little bit. But this is another comfortable method for holding the iPad like a book. I really like this case because it's so simple and thin. It does not add much to the iPad, but it also doesn't add much functionality to the iPad either, other than protection and a little bit of a kickstand.